In the vast wilderness, a world of challenges and adventures awaits. Picture yourself equipped with tools that transcend functionality with innovation and ingenuity. This is the realm of cutting-edge survival gear, where each piece tells a story of resilience. Ready to explore and push the boundaries of your own courage? 20A1R. Originally crafted for moderately experienced outdoor enthusiasts, this tool has been so effective that it's now recommended for novices too. Known as the A1R, it might appear small, but it's packed with a plethora of functions. Acting as a flashlight, emergency beacon, safety device, GPS tracker, and purifier for both freshwater and saltwater, it's also a power bank, all rolled into one. Its power comes from an innovative compressed air system, complete with a pump. Just 60 seconds of pumping can provide 5 days of purified water or charge half a smartphone battery, as per the manufacturer's claims. This gadget seamlessly connects urban life with the great outdoors. What's your take on it? 19. Zune Lotus Smilodon. Can you believe a shovel priced at $230? Well, we can if it's this incredible engineering marvel known as the Zune Lotus Smilodon. It's not just your ordinary shovel. It's a versatile multi-tool. Apart from its primary function, it can also transform into a hoe, saw, glass breaker, hammer, hook, axe, knife, and even a camera tripod. And that's just scratching the surface of its capabilities. The shovel's potential is only limited by the creativity of its owner. Surprisingly, the manufacturers have managed to keep it lightweight, with one version weighing just 1.4 kilograms. 18. Wayland Bushcraft Settlers. This handy tool comes from an American company and is a must-have for survivalists. According to its creators, it unleashes your creativity, enabling you to craft anything your mind can dream up. Specifically, it allows you to quickly fashion pegs with a 2.5 centimeters diameter and drill corresponding holes. Plus, you can use it to assemble chairs, ladders, or any other structures you can imagine. And if you're ever short on ideas, there's a survival guide included to spark your inspiration. This 90-page guide, delivered in PDF format via email after purchase, is packed with helpful tips. As a delightful bonus, you'll also receive a leather case to keep everything organized. All this, including the tool, case, and manual, is priced at just $38. Have you ever watched those machete movies? Well, these machetes would fit perfectly into the collection of the main character. Take, for example, the M48 Ops Combat Bowie, a 41 centimeters weapon with a sturdy handle that's perfect for chopping, sawing, and cutting. Then there's the Spot L5, a modern version of a Soviet rescue knife equipped with 5 functional edges, including a saw and a sling cutter. It even has a recess for moving a pot and a double-sided handguard, making it a favorite among Western enthusiasts. And let's not forget the Tiger N machete, featuring Japanese US 8 steel and a convex edge for superior cutting power. The M48 Ops Combat Bowie is priced at $95, while the other 2 machetes come in at around $55 each. (16) Pieskeoke Fire Piston. Now, let's discuss this fire piston. It's pretty simple. Place the tinder in the notch at the end of the piston, then firmly push the piston into the cylinder. As the air inside compresses, it reaches temperatures exceeding 200 degrees Celsius, perfect for igniting the tinder. Think of it like an engine, but instead of a spark, it relies on pressure. This handy tool is available for just $20. 15. Pyro Putty. The stove and pet could be a perfect addition to the fire piston. It contains a unique ignition material that's safe and eco-friendly, suitable for use in wood stoves. Just a small amount of this material can keep the fire burning for 15 minutes, and it's effortless to attach to firewood. Moreover, it's free from petroleum-based products. Prices vary from $13 to $25, depending on the type of kindling. For instance, the stove and pit designed for fireplaces and home stoves come with a delightful cinnamon scent. 14. Omni Blade. Everything you need and nothing you don't is the slogan used to promote the Omni Blade machete, and it seems to be striking a chord with buyers. The creators of Omni Blade managed to raise over $116,000 on Kickstarter alone, a noteworthy achievement, especially considering the machete's price of $60. Evidently, buyers are pleased with its versatility. This machete serves multiple functions, doubling as an axe, hammer, knife, and saw. Moreover, being made of 420J2 steel, it can be easily sharpened in the field using stones. Do you believe this machete justifies its price? Tile. Find lost belongings, whether they're near or far. Tile trackers and the Free Tile app are compatible with both Android and iOS devices. You can also opt for a premium plan to make the most out of all your tiles. Use the app to locate your items. These small gadgets can attach to practically anything: your pet, wallet, keys, bike, bags, or even someone else's bags. The app allows you to track your belongings within Bluetooth range and make them ring if you misplace them. Tile helps you stay organized. The streamlined shape of the Tile Pro is perfect for attaching to keys, bags, or luggage. Use our free app to locate them, and you can find them via the link in the comments. Starting from $35 on Amazon. This company consists of survival enthusiasts who believe that the market for survival gear is saturated with low-quality products. That's why Canadian Preparedness prioritizes essentials, such as their Behemoth Storm matches. These matches, measuring 14 centimeters, can burn for 15 minutes, and if they get wet, there's no need to worry. You can simply wipe them dry. For added protection, these matches come in sturdy metal boxes. A pack of 9 matches is priced at $20. 11. Koger Snake Gaiters for hunting. The Koger Snake Guards are made of 1000D Oxford fabric and snowproof, breathable polypropylene panels. Koger Snake Gaiters feature a unique design of 13 individual polycarbonate panels that gently wrap around your calves, legs, and ankles. With straps and buckle closures, you can adjust the gaiters to fit snugly and comfortably while you hike, walk, work, or explore. Snake gaiters are perfect snake guards for both women and men. Weighing just 11 ounces each, they can be folded to fit into the storage pouch. You don't have to sacrifice leg protection for ease of movement. With Koger Snake Gaiters, you can have both. Great for hunting, hiking, camping, etc. 10. Quickcord. In the United States, a DIY enthusiast has developed a coil for carrying paracord, and it appears that there's potential for mass production considering the frequent appearance of similar products on crowdfunding platforms. One notable example is a Kickstarter project called Quickcord. The creator offers a polymer case for storing paracord, complete with a blade, clip, and snap light. This case, along with 6 meters of paracord, is available for $20. Surprisingly, even this modest price didn't stop the creator from raising over $31,000. 9. Featherstone Backbone Ultralight Tint. Carefully designed with performance and comfort, this tint achieves a minimum trail weight of 2 pounds 6 ounces, while maintaining a comfortable living space which you don't get with most single-person trekking pole tents. This ultralight backpacking tent is designed for solo backpackers looking for a practical, roomy shelter that will enhance their outdoor experience. 40/60 pole placement and a tapered floor provides extra headroom and can fit a full-size sleeping pad. The vestibule offers great amount of space for storing other camping gear like your backpack or hiking boots. This tent was designed with wide mesh panels and large vents to bring in maximum airflow while keeping the elements and unwanted critters out. 8. Hot Pocket. Introducing Hot Pocket, your versatile camping companion. This solar-powered heater also serves as a universal power bank, offering 12 hours of heat or up to 10 charges for your iPhone. Available in different sizes, it weighs under 240 grams, making it a practical addition to your gear whether you're camping, on a business trip, or enjoying a festival. You can purchase it for just $99. 7. Nomad Cape. Described as the most versatile piece of gear you'll ever own, the Nomad Cape hammock boasts recommendations for a diverse range of people, from cyclists to climbers. And it's easy to see why. This hammock can transform into a poncho, picnic blanket, or shelter with ease. Supporting weights of up to 150 kilograms and expanding to 260 by 140 centimeters, it's completely waterproof and incredibly lightweight at just 425 grams. Furthermore, the manufacturers have thoughtfully included straps, carabiners, stakes, and various accessories in the kit, all for the affordable price of $95. 6. CellVault Battery Storage. The CellVault XL is designed to safeguard batteries and essential gear, ensuring they remain accessible and well-organized. Featuring an integrated webbing clip, it allows easy access to its contents without the need for removal. Alternatively, you can swiftly detach it for greater control. With twice the capacity of the original CellVault and a removable divider, it offers enhanced versatility. While the product does not include standalone lithium batteries, it addresses a common issue faced by camping enthusiasts: the need to protect essentials from moisture. Recognizing this, various companies offer containers designed for storing items such as medications, bandages, and batteries. One such product is the CellVault by Therm, a reputable supplier of emergency and military accessories. Notably, it is compatible with the M attachment system and can store 2 AA or 4 AAA batteries. Designed to withstand dust and water, the CellVault is available for purchase at $30. 5. BRS 99 Camping Stove. This stove is an ideal camping companion with its lightweight design of 6 kilograms and compatibility with butane fuel. When folded, it becomes as compact as a thermos, making it easy to transport. The stove features smart supports that can accommodate cookware ranging from 10 to 26 centimeters in diameter. To prevent overpressure, it includes a magnetic valve, and its non-slip leg inserts ensure stability during cooking. You can purchase the stove, along with its storage bag, for $70. For your convenience, there is a link provided in the first pinned comment. 4. UATOM. Introducing the UATOM, the world's first smart modular energy system. This innovative device consists of a base that securely accommodates cylinder blocks, providing the flexibility to use them together or separately. Each block functions as an 86.4 watt-hour power bank, while the base offers various connectivity options, including USB-A and 220-volt outlets. For safety, the UATOM includes protection against overload, short circuits, overheating, and undervoltage. A complete set, comprising the base and 4 units, is available for $800. 3. MyMedic First Aid Kit. Designed by medical and firearm professionals, the TFAK is an ideal companion for the range, hunting, your car, and beyond. The TFAK contains 35 essential items, including 15 trauma-specific items, making it a critical asset in emergencies. The TFAK features an extremely fast-deploying bag, ensuring you can access your supplies quickly when every second counts. With its packable design, the TFAK is ready to accompany you wherever you go, offering emergency preparedness in a compact form. 2. Sawyer Mini Water Filtration System. Perfect for outdoor activities such as hiking, camping, scouting, as well as for domestic and international travel and emergency preparedness, the Sawyer Mini Filter offers exceptional versatility. Weighing a mere 57 grams, this Sawyer Mini Water Filtration System has a remarkable longevity, filtering up to 378,000 liters of water and removing nearly 100% of protozoa and all microplastics during purification. When the filter membrane approaches its limit, a simple wash can restore the purification level to 98.5%. Secure your Sawyer Mini today for just $60, 2-pack. Gerber is making significant progress in the hunting, tourism, and outdoor goods market with their latest innovation, the XM sheath. This sheath is designed for standalone use, but customers also have the option to connect multiple units for added versatility. Instead of simply purchasing individual knives and saws, customers now have the opportunity to create a customized set tailored to their specific needs using the XM mod system. Identifying compatible tools is made easy thanks to the skeleton-shaped handle design. Crafted from budget-friendly yet durable Chinese steel, the entire line of products maintains reasonable prices. For example, a knife with the sheath included costs $108. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Additionally, links to some of the mentioned products are available in the first pinned comment. Venture wisely and be prepared for any challenge nature may present. Until the next video.